Can a city council ignore its own city charter? Ever wonder if a city council can just do whatever it wants and ignore the rules that set their powers? Well, in most cases, the answer is no. The city charter is like the local constitution, laying out what the council can and cannot do. It's the main rulebook that guides their actions. If a council tries to go beyond what the charter allows, they risk getting into serious legal trouble. Courts can step in and say, "Hold on, you can't ignore this document." They often do when councils misinterpret or stretch their authority too far. For example, if a city council tries to pass a law that contradicts the clear language of the charter, courts can strike it down. Sometimes, councils try to interpret their charters in ways that give them more power than what was originally intended. That can lead to fights in the courts, especially if citizens or other officials challenge those actions. The city attorney plays a big role here. They can seek court orders to stop councils from breaking the rules or misusing funds. Courts can issue what's called a writ of mandamus, which is a fancy way of saying they order the council to do what the law or the charter says. Now, in some places, local governments have been known to push the limits or even ignore their own charters. This can cause chaos, with councils acting as if they are above their own rules. These situations often lead to court battles that highlight how strange and unpredictable local government can be. So, to sum up, the city charter is the highest law at the local level. City councils are bound to follow it, and courts are there to make sure they do. If a council ignores or violates the charter, they can be forced to stop or undo their actions. Sometimes they try to stretch their powers, but courts are ready to step in and keep things in check. That's how the legal system keeps local governments from going off the rails, even when they try to act as if they're above their own rules.